Hi, I'm Sella, and this is my honest review of this vent phone mount for the Toyota Tacoma. I bought this because we have a Toyota Tacoma, and every other phone mount that I've tried in this vehicle has just not worked for us. And so I figured there has to be something out there specifically for these trucks because no one seems to make a good dash mount. I've tried the ones that stick to the windshield, and they either stick too hard to where you can't move them around or get them off, or they just fall off completely eventually. We've tried other vent mounts before. We've tried, there's not really a good place to mount a phone mount here. Aside from a vent mount, which those are usually not very secure, or a windshield mount, which, as I said, just didn't work. So I was really happy to find this because it's made specifically for the air vents in the Toyota Tacoma. So if you have a Toyota Tacoma between 2016 and 2023, this is going to be the perfect phone mount for you. Here's everything that it came with. You got your instruction manual here. There's a QR code in case you want to watch an installation video. Turn on a light here so you can see. If you prefer to watch a video instead of reading, there's a QR code for you. There's a quick installation video on YouTube, makes it really easy to install. Also comes with this wrench and all of the pieces needed to connect it to the vent. It also comes with this magnetic ring that you can attach to your phone. There's some 3M tape on it. If your phone is not MagSafe or you don't have a magnet on there already, you're going to need this in order for the phone to actually stick to the mount. But I don't need it because our phone has a snap grip on it. This is an O-Snap snap grip, and it's already magnetic, so it just works the way that it is. So I'm going to install this real quick and just to show you how easy it is to install. This is going to go in the vent itself. You want to open the vent to full airflow, and you want to install it in the biggest opening on the side here. And also make sure the vent is in the position that you want it in, because once you install this, you can't rotate the vent anymore without taking this off. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. I don't mind that so much. I'm going to keep it like this. You still will be able to open and close the vent somewhat. You just won't be able to rotate it without taking this off. So to install it, you want to loosen the screw so that there's some space here. And then you're going to just stick that right in there and use the provided wrench to tighten the screw. And then once that's nice and tight, fully, you install the rest of it. So there's this piece here, and this is actually what clamps to this. So you want to get that on there, tighten it just a little bit. It's kind of loose. Get that on there, and then you want to put both sides in at the same time. So, and then you just use this to tighten it. And you can loosen this to move it around. It's got 360-degree rotation on both sides. So once you have it where you want it, you just tighten it and you're good to go. That's installed. I'm going to put my phone on here, and you can see that it's in a great position. Works really well. Love it. Absolutely love it. If you have a Toyota Tacoma, I cannot recommend this enough. And it also comes with this extended lifetime warranty card. So if you want to claim an extended warranty, all you have to do is scan this QR code to email the brand, and you'll get a lifetime warranty instead of just 1 year. So highly recommend this. If you have a Toyota Tacoma and you're in the market for a good phone mount, this is my #1 recommendation.